Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a swimsuit try-on haul and first impressions, and they're all from Fashion Nova, of course. I've never had a bikini or swimsuit from Fashion Nova, so I'm really excited to try these out. I got a size medium in everything that you see in the haul, and I'm going to be showing you how it fit, the quality, everything you need to know about the swimming suits. All the products we listed down in the description box, so definitely check that out if you're interested in anything that you see. Also, before you leave the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave a like and a comment, and enjoy the video. So this is the first swimsuit that I have, and one of my favorites that I got. This is the Standout Metallica swimsuit, and of course I got the shade blue. And then I also got these glasses to go with this because I thought that the blue glasses will look really good with the blue swimming suit. So the bottoms is just a regular swim bottom. It's not a thong or anything, and it's not too cheeky. It's pretty basic, like the standard bikini or swimming suit bottom. This has a little bit of side boob, but it's not too much. You can actually move around really well, and your boobs are not gonna go flying everywhere. So I really like this. The material feels really quality. Like this, it just feels really nice. It's on the thicker side for a swimming suit. So this one is really nice and one of my favorites. I cannot wait to take pictures in this and go to the pool. So this one I got for the color. I really like how bright it is, and it just really pops. And this one is really good for like those pool days where you just want to be super comfortable. You're not trying to really be like super cute. You just want to go and just chill out. Because it's just super simple and there's really not a lot to it. I really like the cut of the top. Another thing I really like about this one is the full coverage bottom. It's even more full coverage than the metallic blue one that I had. The thing that stands out about this is the really low cut back, and that's what makes it really cute. So I really like this one. It's just simple and fun. Just throw it on and like you just have a simple day at the pool. So this swimsuit just looks so classy. It just has a simple chic style to it that I really like. And this one is high cut. It comes up really high, and then it has more of a cheekier bottom, and the back is just a little, you know, U-back, and it has a lot of side showing. So I just really like this one. It's just super classy feeling. It looks really good. The material on this one is a little bit thinner, but because it's black, I really think that it makes up for the material being thin. You really can't like see through it or anything. So I really like this one. It's so classy. Like I feel like you should just wear this to like a beach party or something, like a really classy one, like, or a boat party. Like this is really nice. Everything about this is just like everything. I really like this one. This is a top favorite of mine. This one is my least favorite out of all of them, but the only reason why is because it's just too low cut for me. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, I know what I was thinking. I was thinking this is marble, and I love anything marble, so I had to get it, but it's just a little too low cut for me. On someone else's body, it probably looks really good, but just the way that things are up top, I just don't like super low cut things like this. But that's the only thing about this one. That's why it's my least favorite. It's really cute, but it's just not for me. I personally would not wear this one out anywhere, but it's just cute. I just like the marble that this two-piece is designed. I think that is really different. I love the way the neckline is made. It looks really cute. The material on this is really cool. It's like I don't even know how to describe it, but it's a different type of material that is made out of, which gives it that like stripy look, and I really like it. The bottom is a full coverage bottom, and I like that it comes up pretty high, so like if you have a little pooch or something, you can like pull it up just a little bit to cover it up, you know, so it's not too like revealing, it's not too skimpy. So I really like that about this. So glad that I picked out a cover up to go with this bikini that I have on right now, because if I did not have this cover up, I would not be able to get on here and show you guys this. So this bikini is super small. It's so skimpy, it's super small, like everything is just, it's so small. So if you like this swimsuit and you want to get it, I would suggest that you go 2 sizes up. Like you guys really can't see because of the cover up, but like things are coming out, things aren't fitting in. Like this is a lot. So I suggest that if you want this swimming suit, get 2 sizes up, because I'm a medium. I got a medium in all of the swimming suits that I have, and they fit perfectly. But this one is so small and so tight. Like when I was putting it on, I'm like, is this the right size? I was like checking the tag. I'm like, okay, I know I got a medium. But let's get into this cover up though. This cover up is everything. thing. This is like when you're feeling super extra. I can see myself like out on the beach, just walking and just like being hella extra. This is too cute. So I definitely suggest getting this cover up. So if it wasn't for the size of the bikini, I would absolutely love it. I saw it on the model. I thought it was perfect. Everybody needs a basic black bikini, but it's super small, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and get the 2 sizes up because I really like it. Last but not least, we have this multicolored 3-piece bikini, which is literally everything. Fashion Nova did everything when they designed this 3-piece right here. This is my favorite one out of all the ones that I've got for obvious reasons. It's just so cute. The only thing that I have to say about this one is the fact that the sleeves are a little bit looser than I imagined them to be. I just imagined them to be super tight and fitted, but I mean, who cares, because this is just too cute. Like, I just cannot wait to take pictures in this. Like, this is everything. So that is it for this video. If you saw anything that you liked, everything will be linked down in the description box, so definitely check that out. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video.